everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola. If you don't know me, I create all kinds of pink, beauty, fashion, and decor videos. If that's something you're into, make sure to click the subscribe button, click the notification bell below, and follow me on my Instagram at FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. That means let's go ahead and move on to today's unboxing video. So today's going to be an unboxing video and I'm so excited because this is a bag that I have been eyeing for a few months. I think this bag launched sometime in the spring or early summer, but when I saw it I was like, oh my goodness, this is like adorable. So this company reached out to me and I'm going to link their website down below. It's Fashion Kicks. I'll leave their links to their website as well as the link to this beautiful bag. So on their website you'll be able to find many beautiful luxurious bags, accessories, clothing items, and shoes. They have many different brands to choose from, and I'm just really thankful that they were so sweet enough to send this beautiful bag out to me so that I could review it. So let's go ahead and get started. So let me go ahead and show you the box. So it is a Fendi handbag and look how cute this is. It is absolutely stunning. So I don't have anything to compare the box to because like I said, I don't own any handbag from this brand Fendi. The box is really cute. I really like it. So it does have like this little lace handles. It is magnetic and I have not opened the bag. So I did unbox it from the actual cardboard. It did come packaged super good. Like it was totally wrapped and it had lots of tape. So I had to, take it out and then just get it ready for the video. But here it is. It's so cute. It's yellow and this is how you open it. Ooh, this is so fancy. Look at this. How cute. So there is the little pouch, like a little dust bag, and it says Fendi on it. This looks smaller than I thought. It's much, much smaller. So this bag, I believe, comes in 3 sizes. There's the mini, there's the small, and then there's like the standard size. I did get the mini just because I love small bags. Like small bags for me are like everything. So this is the bag, and then on the inside of the box there's also this, which I believe is the strap. We'll open that after. And then there is like a copy of the receipt. And there is this in here. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's just cardboard. Okay, so this is what's inside the box as well as the strap, which we'll open after. But here it is and I'm so excited just because like I said, I haven't opened it. I did take a peek at it on their website, but I didn't see it in person, so I'm so excited. Okay, let's go ahead and take this little cutie out. This is so adorable. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. It's so tiny. It's smaller than I thought. It looked a little bit bigger on the website, but oh my goodness, this is like perfect. It is gorgeous. So this is a little crossbody. That's why you get the strap. This is going to look like perfect. And as long as I can fit my cell phone and a lipstick in my wallet, like I am all set. So this is perfect. It is so adorable. It says Fendi Roma. It is in this beautiful like blush pink color. Just look at the color, like it's so pretty. I love it. The stitching is beautiful. It does have like the little hardware. It's gold, and it does come protected with these like little plastic things. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like really beautiful. I can definitely tell that the quality is amazing. This is so pretty. Like I am loving this. I'm going to take everything off and then I'm going to show you. But the handles are so pretty as well. Like I said, I did see it on their website. So let me go ahead and rip this up. Okay, I took the plastic off the handles. Look how pretty. This is so adorable. Like I can't get over how beautiful and how luxurious this little bag is. It is perfect. It is just beautiful. This is like super nice quality. Just have like this little thing inside. This is the inside. It's just very like standard, like very, very simple, very standard. It's just like a little tote bag to put your phone. Actually, I have my phone right here. Let's go ahead and test this out. So I'm going to put my phone inside. It fits perfect. Here it is. This is the iPhone, the new one. I think it's a 13 Pro. I don't even know what phone I have. I know I just recently got it, but here it is. It fits perfect. Even if you had like the plus size, that would fit perfect as well. So the inside does have like a little tag inside. It says Fendi. It has a code in there. And it is all in this like striped canvas. I am loving this. I can't wait to use this and just like go out, and so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and open the little strap. So here it is with the strap on, and I must say it was quite a struggle trying to get this little strap on. It was a little bit hard, but quite worth it. So this is what it looks like, and the strap is very long. It is very thin. It's really nice. The stitching is perfect. It is beautiful. It does have like this black coating all around it. It is absolutely stunning. So the strap is, I would say, adjustable because it does have like 3 different holes, so you can, you know, adjust it to the length that you desire. But this is what the strap looks like on. So let me go ahead and stand up just to show you what it looks like as a crossbody. I am wearing my shorts, but this is what it looks like as a little crossbody. I think it's absolutely stunning. It is so, so pretty. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using this as a crossbody as well as on its own, just for like going out. So that was it for my unboxing video on this beauty. I highly, highly recommend you guys check out their website. It is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, they do have different styles, different brands, and they're all inspired, so that way you guys can get your hands on these beauties. They are absolutely stunning. So I hope you all have an amazing rest of your week. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! Pieces of forever that you broke.